Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb wrote a paper drawing a remarkable connection between the famous WOW signal of 1977 and the interstellar object 3I Atlas. By carefully analyzing the coordinates, distances, and timing, Loeb noted that 3I Atlas was positioned only a few degrees from the WOW signal's origin, just days before the detection. On the 15th of August, 1977, astronomers working with Ohio State University's Big Ear Radio Telescope detected a powerful and puzzling narrowband radio signal. It was recorded at a frequency near the hydrogen line, a region long theorized as a natural place for extraterrestrial civilizations to broadcast. The signal was strong, distinctive, and lasted for 72 seconds, exactly the length of time the telescope could track a fixed point in the sky. When astronomer Jerry Ehman circled the numbers on the printout and wrote the now famous exclamation "Wow" in the margin, the discovery became one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. For decades, the WOW signal has stood as a mysterious clue, suggesting that something extraordinary may have once whispered across the cosmos toward Earth. The coordinates of the WOW signal were calculated as right ascension 19 hours, 25 minutes, or 2091. This placed its origin in the constellation of Sagittarius, a region filled with interstellar clouds and galactic structures. For many years, natural explanations were debated. One of the most recent ideas proposed that the signal might have been the result of a sudden brightening of hydrogen emissions from an interstellar cloud, perhaps triggered by a flare from a magnetar. Yet this explanation, like many before it, left gaps and did not fully account for the remarkable intensity or the singularity of the event. A new layer of mystery emerged with the study of an interstellar object catalogued as 3I Atlas. On the 12th of August, 1977, just 3 days before the WOW signal was detected, 3I Atlas was located at a distance of roughly 600 astronomical units from Earth, or 600 times the Earth-Sun distance. This meant that in terms of light travel, the object was about 3 days away. The coincidence is striking, since the WOW signal also appeared in the sky, only 4 Bani away in right ascension and 8 Dali away in declination from the location of 3I Atlas. Statistically, the likelihood of such a close alignment occurring by chance is less than 1%, making the overlap remarkable and difficult to dismiss. The possibility that the WOW signal originated from 3I Atlas raises extraordinary implications. If the radio transmission truly came from that object, then the estimated transmitter power required would have been between 0.5 gigawatt and 2 GW. This is comparable to the output of a nuclear reactor on Earth. Immense energy, yet not unimaginable for an advanced technology. The frequency detected, 1420 MHz, was slightly blue-shifted by about 10 kilometers relative to the central hydrogen line. Interestingly, this shift is of the same order of magnitude as the expected velocity of 3I Atlas as it approached the Sun, which was about 60. Though not an exact match, the closeness of these values lends further credibility to the idea of a connection. To date, no radio telescope has been able to gather data specifically from 3I Atlas. However, this discovery has now inspired renewed interest in observing it during future opportunities. Between the 1st and 7th of October 2025, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, along with the European Space Agency's Mars Express and ExoMars orbiters, are scheduled to observe 3I Atlas as it passes within 29 million kilometers. Later, between the 2nd and 25th of November that same year, ESA's Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer mission will also observe the object with its instruments. These coordinated studies could provide unprecedented information about whether 3I Atlas emits any artificial radio signals or possesses unusual properties. The potential link between the WOW signal and 3I Atlas places humanity at the threshold of profound questions.
I have to tell you something. Something insane, but true, about all of us. It started a long time ago.
Back in 1977, they detected a sequence, called it the wow signal.
What's it say?
They are coming.
Who are they?
That's the question, right? Oh, hello, darling.
When your consciousness ends in one world, it could continue to exist in many other worlds.
What do you think is happening?
I think we're at war.
How will you be remembered?
There's someone who fought back.
This bitter earth.
So, the struggle continue. But while the struggle continue, I'm proud to tell you that I wear this locks underneath my tribulation, bearing the tribulation of the world. We Rastaman wear this locks to set the world free, as the way each and every man should be. He's gonna need, and I can see with my own eyes, only a housing scheme that divides. What I live on my head, when the two separate skies. What I live on my head, from the two separate skies. Is gonna meet, and I can see with my own eyes, it's only a housing scheme that divides. What I live on my head, when the two sevens clash, the dread. What I live on my head, when the two sevens clash.
Tree out by Ferry Police Station.